Hello, Alex. I'm going to ask you 25 questions using the present continuous tense. These are yes-no questions. Here we go. Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I am.
Are you thinking?
Yes, I am.
Are you dozing off?
No, I'm not.
Are you sitting in a chair?
Yes, I am.
Are you wearing makeup?
Yes, I am.
Is your friend waiting for you?
No, he is not.
Is your heart beating fast?
No, it is not.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes, I am.
Are you breathing?
Yes, I am.
Are your eyes blinking?
Yes, they are.
Am I bothering you?
No, you're not.
Is your mother working?
Yes, she is.
Is your body sweating?
No, it's not.
Are these questions making you uncomfortable?
Yes, they are.
Is it raining?
No, it's not.
Are you crying?
No, I'm not.
Are you smiling?
Yes, I am.
Are you looking at the camera?
Yes, I am.
Is your mobile phone vibrating?
No, it's not.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am.
Am I giving you stress?
No, you're not.
Is the world getting better?
Yes, it is.
Are you working hard?
Yes, I am.
Are you going home now?
No, I'm not.
All right, thank you. That was 25 questions. Thank you for sharing.
Bye.